In this video, I'll show you how to force restart your Redmi Note 14. So for me, I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for any other Redmi Note 14 phone. Now let's say for instance your device is not responsive or it's frozen. A force restart can simply fix that issue. Now to force restart your device, all you have to do is simply press the power button and the volume up button together until the screen goes dark, and once the screen goes dark, all you have to do is simply release the buttons. So let's do that together. So press the power button and the volume up button together until the screen goes black, and then release the buttons. So power button and the volume up button, press and hold, and then keep holding. Ignore the power off menu, keep holding. And then once it goes dark, all you have to do is simply release the button and allow the device to restart. So that's basically it on how to force restart your Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.